Hey guys, let's do some nails together. Today we're going to be doing some tortoise nails. If you don't know, I inserted a inspo picture on the screen. I'm going to walk you through the tutorial because it can look like a lot is going on, but really truly it's not if you just take it one nail at a time. Again, we're going to be doing tortoise nails with some French tips. We're going to throw some prints in there, the zebra print, the tortoise shell print, and then we're going to see what the outcome is. I did insert some inspo pictures so you guys can really get an idea. To do the tortoise nails, we're using blooming gel. Blooming gel is normally used for a croc print, but fun fact, you can also use it to do layers of like whatever colors you want, i.e. tortoise shell nails. So I went in with a clear brown, and then on top of that I went in with a clear yellow color, and then you're going to apply the blooming gel right on top and add the brown spots, cure it in the light, take it out, do another layer of the blooming gel, add your black spots, and then cure that. And then to finish it off, you're going to use a brown jelly color to cap it and bring it back that brown tint to it. Again, it seems like it's a lot more complicated, but really it's about 3 to 4 easy steps. If you guys want to see a more detailed tortoise shell nail tutorial, please let me know. I will definitely get one for you guys. So again, yeah, let me know if you need that. Then we're going to go in with this French. I'm doing a 3D flower for the first time on camera. I don't think I've ever showed you guys how I did this. I wanted this flower to be a little flat petaled flower, so that's why my gel I rolled it to make it a little bit like skinnier versus like as opposed to doing like balls. I wanted it to be like flat petals, so I'm using this silicone rubber tool here, and I'm just kind of like spreading it out, making sure not to get it too thin. Like, you do want to take your time and move around to each petal before you dry it until you're satisfied. And then we're going to dry it in the light, and then we add some color to it. For these index fingers, we're doing some airbrush. I just mixed some acetone and some brown in my airbrush machine. You guys have seen me do this before. And then we're going to do a white outline to give it like a French tip illusion, but we're taking it all around the cuticle. Then you're going to go in with white. It doesn't have to be white. For here we use white because I wanted to bring out some more color. So we did white outlining the flowers just to give it some more depth so you can really see what's going on. And then to finish, you're going to add some gold balls, and that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.